Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
So, a group of stimulant drugs like Benzedrine, Dexedrine, Methedrine, and Preludin, okay, etc. What is the answer? What is the answer for this one? Anong sagot? Okay, sabi, okay, Alwin, sumagot. Eric John, okay, nice answer. JM. Okay, how about the others? Okay. So, hindi siya hypnotics. Alam natin yan, okay? Hindi siya hypnotics. Hypnotics, parang barbiturate din siya. Pag sinabi niyong hallucinogen, ang mga type nito ay like LSD, marijuana, okay? Yun ang mga types of hallucinogen. Pati yung tinatawag nating morning glory na seeds, okay? Hallucinogen yun. So, ang sagot dito, letter D, amphetamine. So I want you to take note, ito yung mga types of amphetamine: Benzedrine, Dexedrine, Methedrine, and Preludin. Okay? So I want you to remember. Okay? Let us now proceed to number 21. Okay? So, yan. Sagot ko na. Refers to the group of drugs like marijuana, LSD, okay, yes, mescaline, etc. So what is the answer? Tandaan nyo yung acronym ng LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. Okay? So don't forget that. Baka itanong yan. Kasi di ba, tinanong nga yun dati, no? Sa board exam, yung ecstasy, yung MDMA. Di ba? Methylene dioxyhydrochloride, methylene dioxymethamphetamine, MDMA. Okay? So, baka tanong yung acronym ng lysergic acid diethylamide. Okay? So, I want you to remember, okay, maging familiar kayo dahil isa yan sa mga powerful hallucinogen. Okay? So, lahat kayo ay tama. Okay? Sa inyong sagot. The answer is letter C. Tandaan nyo guys, when you say about mescaline, no? Pag sinabi nyo mescaline, galing ito sa cactus. So I want you to remember, no? Ang drugs na mescaline ay galing sa cactus. Yung tinatawag nating peyote, no? Peyote. Okay, so I want you parang peyote yung spelling. So take note of that, mescaline. Isang uri din siya ng hallucinogen. Okay? Number 22 tayo guys. No, number 22. So, is 3 to 5 times more powerful than morphine, from which it is derived and the most addicting opium derivative. What is the answer? Okay? Yes. A morphine, okay, yan ang yan ang pinagmulan din ng Actually, derivative sa opium galing yun. Codeine, morphine, heroin, pero particularly ang heroin, nagmula rin siya sa morphine. So, morphine is a drug na ginagamit for as painkiller. Okay? As painkiller. So, yung opium naman, okay, papaver somniferum, okay? So, ito ay yan ang pinaka-plant kung saan nagmumula itong mga drugs na to. So the answer is 3 to 5 times more powerful than morphine, the answer is heroin. Okay, heroin. So I want you to remember, heroin, guys. Okay. So let us now proceed to this one. Commonly used among hospitality girls. Sudden withdrawal from these drugs is even more dangerous than opiate withdrawal. Ibig sabihin, ang biglaang pagtigil sa pag-take ng drugs na ito ay napakadelikado. Mas delikado pa kaysa sa pagtigil mo sa opium. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, anybody? How about the others? Okay, so pag sinabi nyo guys na alpha, yung codeine ito yung ginagamit for cough medicine sa ubo, okay, or cough medicine. Siya yung isa sa mga ingredients ginagamit to cure yung ubo sa codeine. So, yung cough preparation and cough medicine, yun ang magiging keywords nyo. Okay? Paregoric naman, this drug has camphor. So, nakikita natin sa mga bahay natin, di ba? Like, for example, omega painkiller, efficacent oil. Di ba? Paregoric. Yun ang purpose niya. No? Paregoric is used to para ma-remove yung ating stomach pain at diarrhea. So, take note of that, paregoric. So, your keyword is camphor. So, ano nang sagot between C and D? Okay. Anong sagot between C and D? Pag sinabing demerol, ito yung synthetic drug. Synthetic drug, no? Which is like a morphine. So, morphine-like ito guys. Demerol is a morphine-like drugs. No? Tulad ng morphine. So, the answer is seconal. So, commonly used among hospitality girls is seconal. So, letter D. So, please remember that. Okay, let us now proceed to number 25. Okay. So, I already answered it. Anong sagot? Anong sagot, guys? No? Nasagot na natin. What is the answer? Common synthetic drugs with morphine-like effects. So, yes, very good. Tandaan lagi ang codeine for cough syrup, paregoric for stomach pain, okay? The seconal used by hospitality girl. No, it's very sudden withdrawal. It's more dangerous than withdrawal of opiates. That withdrawal in opiates. So take note of that. That is seconal. So, ang sagot dito, demerol. So, ang morphine kasi napaka-effective yan for for alleviating the pain. Kaya nga, kung nakapanood kayo ng mga movies like Saving Private Ryan, putol na yung kanyang binti. So, tinatapalan lang, isang dakot na morphine inilalagay doon sa hita. Nare-relax na yung tao. So, yun yung effects kasi ng morphine. So, pero ang sagot dito is Charlie. Okay, guys? Demerol. The answer for this one is demerol. Okay. So, ano namang drugs, guys? Anong drugs ang ginagamit medically for weight reducing in obesity, relief of mild depression and treatment? Sa bansa nga natin, di ba? Kapag may biglang payat na tumaba, nagmamariwana ka, no? Parang ganon ng ano, di ba? So, pag pumayat naman, nagsasabu ka, no? So, ito, ginagamit, no? For reducing the obesity. Pwedeng magamit siya for weight loss. Okay? So, yes, tama kayo. Psychedelic, hindi yan. Kasi psychedelic is a mind-altering drug. Ano yan eh? Hallucinogen. Yung nicotine, inilalagay sa sigarilyo, no? Stimulant, nagkakaroon din yan ng stimulant din yan. Then cocaine, alam naman natin yung cocaine. Okay, so the answer is amphetamine. Okay? Kaya nga ano, di ba? Yung sabu, methamphetamine hydrochloride. Okay? Amphetamines, no? Nakakapayat.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!